Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again with a brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can cut split ends at home. You can treat them actually. And also before this video I'm gonna post one more video which is about how you can get a natural shine for your hair using home remedies, using all the ingredients that you have in your house. Okay, so after that I'll be posting this video which is my split end routine. So you can cut your split ends at home. You don't need to go to the parlor. Okay, and I would recommend if you are using a hair dryer, please stop using the hair dryer because it can cause so much of damage to your hair that you can get hair split ends very easily. And also split ends are very common these days because we have been using all the chemicals and all the heating tools, all everything on our hair, you know, because you want to curl your hair, you want to curl your hair, you want to straighten your hair, and some people go under rebonding and straightening and many other things. So this can cause damages to your hair, and also you can get split ends very easily. So today I'm going to show you a very easy way how you can cut your split ends. You can do this once in a month and that will stop, you know, gradually the split ends will stop. You won't be getting any split ends after that. Okay, so and also you need to stop using hair dryers if you're using it. Even though you're in a rush, just try to dry it with your towel or something, or wrap a t-shirt around your head because t-shirts can soak in really easily all the water from your hair. And also please never use the hair dryers. Okay, and yeah, you can actually apply a serum or something to just soften your hair so that it does not look wet or drenched, so you can go out even after a quick hair wash, you know. Okay, so let's get started. You can see my hair is already curled. I actually curled them naturally. This one I haven't curled with any of the heating tools, any of the curler. I've curled them naturally actually. So I'll be showing this in another video. So what I'll do is I can still show you even in this curler how to actually cut your split ends. What you do is you grab a part of your hair, and generally some people there are different types of split ends. Some people get it on the ends of your hair, and some people get it from the start, not on the roots actually, somewhere from here, you know. The split ends can start from somewhere from here. So what you can do is you just grab a part of your hair which you feel there are too many split ends. So what you do is you try to rotate them. Okay, you start rotating them like this, or you can even rotate it like this. Okay, something like this. Rotate it nice and tight. Now you can see I've rotated the whole thing here. And what you do is you just do it something like this. Okay, you move your hair like this, and then I hope you can see there are some split ends here. I don't have much, but yeah, there are some. Okay, when you do this you can see the split ends, and then just take a scissor and then go on chopping like this. Okay, you just have to cut all the split ends. You do this to all the sections of your hair. Okay, and immediately after doing that, once you again do this thing, you can't see any of the hair coming out. Okay, so you can't see any split ends because all the split ends will be cut off. So you see now here I've done to this part of the hair, I've cut all the split ends. So now I'm doing this, you can hardly see any hair coming out here. Okay, there are very less, 1 or 2 hairs, that's it. So this was an easy method how you can cut your split. So this was a very easy method how you can cut split ends at home. This does not take a long time. So once on a weekend or something, if you're free to do this, you can actually do it on all your hair, and then I'm sure there won't be any split ends, because I don't have much of split ends because I follow few things and I do that without fail, so that I don't have any split ends, because split ends can look really odd and ugly if you're tying a plait or a pony or something like that. And sometimes it splits into 2, and sometimes it's also split into 3. Okay, So it looks very odd, you know, sometimes if you're tying a plait into a fancy plait or something and then the split ends are just popping out. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, and then you're going to try this at home, and then I'm sure this will help you, all the girls there who are suffering from this split end issues, and you can actually use this tip and it's very useful. And please leave your comments in the comment section below so that I can understand whether you have whether this video was helpful for you. And if you have any more other requests, you can actually leave it in the comment section, and I'll try to make other videos for whatever requests you have. Okay, and yeah, please do like this video and give this video a big thumbs up, and also share it as soon as you can, and subscribe to my channel for those who haven't subscribed to my channel. So till then, take care. I'll be meeting you in my next video. Bye bye.